Did you know that Cisco LAN switches come in several categories? And did you know that 3 of these categories are very important for the CCNA? Hi, I'm Bob, and for those who don't know me, I have over 20 years of experience working with computer networking and Cisco devices. And in this playlist, our main focus is on CCNA related content. And of course, these videos are great for doing your best on your projects. So let's get started. According to Cisco, in the latest CCNA, Cisco LAN switches are divided into 3 main categories. The first group is Catalyst switch. This group is the traditional group. We have used them to build computer networks over the past decades. Some of the famous series include 2960 series, especially 2960X series, and of course 3750 series. This series 2960 often used as layer 2 device, and this series 3750 has been used as a layer 3 or multi-layer device, MLS as multi-layer switch. The next group is called Nexus series, which in today's Cisco products it called as the 9000 series. So we call it 9000 series. And the famous series are 9200, 9300, and 9400. These are the famous series of Nexus devices. And of course, Cisco says these are the next generation of Catalyst switches. The third category is Meraki switches, which store their configuration on the cloud. And because of that, they are not popular with many customers. For example, government departments and many private companies don't like these switches to send their information and configuration to the cloud, especially when it's public cloud. So these are 3 main categories of LAN switches, and you should know that in CCNA exam, working with iOS is very important. And iOS is an operating system developed by Cisco for Cisco switches and routers. Another important point you should know is emulators like Packet Tracer do not support Nexus series at all. So you should practice with Catalyst switches to prepare for the exam. And it's important to know this is mentioned on CCNA books. So Cisco says that you should prepare for the exam by practicing with this series, Catalyst switches. Both of these series support iOS, and the commands are common between them. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next video and see how about operating system, what is iOS, and the history of iOS. See you in the next video.